Welcome to our motivational channel, where we're all about helping you crush your goals and become the best version of yourself. In today's video, we dive deep into the world of short-term goals, a powerful strategy for achieving quick wins and paving the way for long-term success. Are you ready to supercharge your progress? Let's get started. Number 1. Understand the power of short-term goals. We begin this video by exploring the benefits of setting short-term goals. Learn how breaking your big dreams into smaller, manageable milestones can boost your motivation, focus, and confidence. Short-term goals act as stepping stones on your journey to greatness. Number 2. Identify your short-term goals. Time to be specific. We guide you through the process of identifying your short-term goals. Whether they're related to fitness, career, personal development, or any other area of your life, we'll show you how to set clear and achievable goals that align with your bigger vision. Number 3. Smart goal setting technique. Get ready to unleash the power of SMART goals. We explain this proven technique that ensures your short-term goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. With SMART goals, you have a roadmap to success that can keep you on track and accountable. Number 4. Creating an action plan. Setting goals is just the beginning. Now, it's time to create a powerful action plan that will move you forward. We break down the steps you need to take to turn your short-term goals into tangible actions. Get ready to take a giant step toward your dreams. Number 5. Stay motivated and overcome challenges. In this section, we'll discuss how to stay motivated and focused throughout your short-term goal journey. Although we all face obstacles and setbacks, we will equip you with strategies to overcome challenges and move forward with unwavering determination. Number 6. Celebrating your achievements. Every victory, no matter how small, deserves to be celebrated. Learn the importance of acknowledging and celebrating your achievements. We'll share tips on how to reward yourself for reaching your short-term goals while keeping the positive momentum alive. Number 7. Review and adjust your goals. As you progress, it's important to review and adjust your short-term goals as needed. We'll guide you through the process of reflection and refinement, making sure your goals remain relevant and aligned with your aspirations. Are you excited to make fast progress and make your dreams come true? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of goal achievers. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your short-term goals with us. Together, let's make the most of every moment and build a foundation for lasting success.